Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete temporary files in Windows 10. Okay, so guys, you need to press Windows plus R key on the keyboard to bring this run window. You can also bring this run window by right clicking on this Windows Start button and click on this run. Okay, and you have to type this percentage temp percentage, and you have to click on this OK button, and you can click on this view, and you need to check this hidden items. Okay, if you want to delete the hidden items also, and you need to select all the files over here. Okay, so just press ctrl+a key on the keyboard to select all the items, and you can also select all the items from here. Okay, just go to this home tab and click on this select all. Okay, so as you can see, all the items has been selected, and here we have this delete button. Okay, so just click on that. As you can see folder in use. Just skip the files that cannot be deleted. Okay, so folder in use, this action can't be completed because the folder or a file in it is open in another program. Okay, so no problem. Do this for all current items. Just select this and click on this escape. Okay, so we have to skip the files that cannot be deleted. Okay, just click on that, skip that also. Okay, and just close this window. And guys, after that we have to go to the storage. Okay, so you just need to right click on this Windows Start button and click on this settings, and click on this system, and click on this storage, and click on this this PC. As you can see, we have this temporary files. Click on that. As you can see, remove temporary files. Choose which items you would like to permanently remove to free up disk space. Okay guys, so it scanned my PC for temporary files. So here I have some files like Windows upgrade log files. Okay, this system created Windows error reporting files. So suppose if I want to delete this, I need to check this. Okay, Windows Defender antivirus, you can see the message non-critical files used by Windows Defender antivirus. Okay, so no problem, I want to delete this one also. So guys, you can select the files that you want to delete. Okay, and I want to delete this content from this recycle bin also. Okay, so I selected that. And delivery optimization files, I have this, so I need to delete this one also. Okay guys, so you need to select which files you wanna delete, and these are all temporary files, so you can delete all of them. Okay, and after you done selecting the files, you just need to click on this remove files. Okay, as you can see, purging, Windows Update Cleanup, the program is going through all of these files and deleting all of them. Okay, so we need to wait a little bit. Depending on the size of your files, it can take some time. Okay guys, so you can see the temporary files has been removed, okay, from my C drive. So in the same way, you can go to other drives, like I have this new volume F. You can go to your other drives and you can find this temporary files over here. Okay, so let me click that. I don't have anything over here. Okay, you might have. So guys, in this way you can delete temporary files from your drives. Okay, That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Bye bye.